I was just unboxing this new tool that I got sent to me to make a video about. This is a derusting weeding tool. It's got two sizes, a 6-inch and an 8-inch head, and it's made from twisted wire. This thing looks pretty nice. All right, let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in the box. You get the two wheels here. The first one right here is 6 inches, and then the bigger one over here is 8 inches. You get a little instruction manual on how to assemble it. Comes with a little tightening tool here. You can see what the tool looks like there. It's got a Phillips head on that side, and then it's got the two wrenches there. You get this piece right here, and that would go on first, just like in the picture right here. So you put this piece on your tool like that, and then you put your wheel on this way here like this. And then you got your other two pieces that go on there like that. Comes with a couple different heads right there. You got the black ones here. This one actually has the, you can see, it's got the groove inside there with all the settings on it. And then this one here is just rounded. So you can see the two different sizes you got on there. You can see how it looks here, all the twisted wire. Really good quality. Looks like it's a nice solid steel base right here with all the twisted wire on there. This is kind of sharp though, so you don't want to touch it. If you do, make sure you got some gloves on there, preferably not gloves with holes in them. But you can see how good quality this is, really nice. Same on the bigger one here. You can see what it looks like on the inside there. Nice, good, solid steel base. Got all the steel wire here, all the twisted wire. So this should be really durable. It should last. It's got writing on here. It says wear eye protection. So yeah, this will really kick stuff around. It says you can use it for all different kinds of things too. All right, there you go. There's the derusting weeding wheels. You can see everything that comes in the box there, and you can see how nice they are. So yeah, I think these would be great for derusting or weeding or doing any other projects you have, like it'll take paint off and it'll do descaling. So these things are pretty versatile. You can do a lot of stuff with them, and they look like they're really good quality too.